Welcome to Learn with Ajay. In this video, we will share introduction to employee agents within Agentforce. We're here to explore how this technology is transforming the way we work. First, let's set the stage with Agentforce. This platform is designed to revolutionize efficiency and productivity across the organization. Agentforce's core purpose is to automate, integrate, and intelligently manage various business processes, allowing teams to focus on strategic goals. Now let's get specific. What exactly is an employee agent in this context? An employee agent is an AI-powered assistant, a sophisticated tool designed to perform tasks and interact within your digital workflow, mimicking human action and logic. Their primary function is to act as a digital colleague, supporting employees by handling repetitive or data-intensive tasks, thereby freeing up valuable human time. Let's explore the key capabilities that make these agents invaluable to your daily operations. Employee agents excel at automating routine, rule-based tasks, and complex workflows, significantly reducing manual effort and the chance of human error. They can efficiently access, process, and analyze vast amounts of internal data, providing timely and accurate information for decision-making. So how do these employee agents directly benefit you and your team? By offloading monotonous work, agents boost your productivity, allowing you to focus your expertise on high-value, creative, and strategic tasks. Agents provide real-time data insights and analysis, offering enhanced support for better and quicker decision-making. Understanding how to integrate these agents into your existing ecosystem is crucial. Agentforce is designed for seamless integration, connecting employee agents with existing enterprise resource planning systems and various other platforms. You can start by identifying repetitive tasks in your workflow and then utilize Agentforce tools to create or deploy an agent tailored to your needs. In conclusion, employee agents represent a significant leap in workplace technology. The future of work involves humans and agents collaborating, creating a more efficient, productive, and engaging professional environment for everyone. Ready to embrace this change? Explore Agentforce and discover the potential of employee agents for your team today.